Welcome everyone. We are from Group 2 and today we would like to present our fast food restaurant online ordering system.
So now I will introduce my team members. For me, I am Dennis and Moon, So, Mingrun, Adam, Pravinesh, Danish, Juraika, Sarah, and Hafiza.
So, fast food services is already very convenient. However, customers are often encountered with various inconvenience while going to physical stores, from long waiting times caused by peak hours, traffic jams, to no parking space. Also, the ordering platforms that already exist isn't user friendly. For example, it does not provide real time status of orders placed by customers. Such factors could lead to customer dissatisfaction, wastage of time, and loss of business for fast food chains.
So here we have three project objectives. So the first one to develop a user-friendly web-based fast food ordering application for pizza dishes. Pizza is to enhance customer experience. The second one to simplify the ordering process with an intuitive interface which allows customers to customize their orders and place them in a breeze. And the last objective is to optimize operational efficiency by reducing waiting times, especially during peak hours, and provide real-time updates on order status from preparation to deliver or pickup.
Next, we will talk about analysis, which is have a input, output, and system function.
This is the inputs. There have title, Pizzalicious Pizza Online. There have login page, daftar masuk login, and button daftar masuk login button. So for the title, this indicates that the system is an online ordering. The login interface requires users to input their phone number and password. Login credentials for administrator. Only authorized personnel are allowed to access the platform using this login interface. And database files, there is partial table structure. First, phone stores the user's phone number, password stores the user's password, name stores the user's name, and level represents the user's access level.
Hello everyone, my name is Johan Kim. So today I want to present about the part of analysis for output. So in the left side, right, you can see got all the summarize of customer. So you can see got menu, quantity, price per unit, and also the total price. So menu is will display out the name of brands or the foods that you order quantity. That's mean the unit of the quantity that you order. So for the total per unit, this to display out the price for one quantity, one in one unit, price one. So total price, which is the quantity para with the price per unit, got a total price lah. So for the total payment got a blue lines, right? So you can that's mean it will display out the which one and also the price that customer need to pay. For my right side, you can see got a report of the restaurant management. That means is the laporan order. Okay, for order. So the report order you can see got a you can select the date that you want to see the order from customer. Right, you can check this. You can check the date and also times and also the number of receipt that customer order. For the last one, which is total payment. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Alright, so let's continue with the next part, which is system functions. So let's start with the first, which is menu listing. The system displays an up-to-date list of available menu items, which complete with image, prices, and descriptions, so that customers can browse the menu conveniently and enhance their ordering experience. For administrators, the menu listing includes management tools to register new items, update details, or even remove unavailable items. Next, which is for order creation, update, or deletion, customers can add or even update or delete their items to or from their cart with just a click. For the last one, which is the payment processing and receipt generation, once the customer finalize their order, they are redirected to the payment gateway. Here they can complete their transactions securely. After payment, the system generates a receipt that includes all order details and the total payment amount.
So for this part, we call it system design, and we divide this system design into two types. One is algorithm design, and another one is database design. For the part of the algorithm design, we got two flowchart, and one is for user, and another one is for admin. So firstly, as we can see for the user, this system will require the user to input their telephone number and password, and if the user input the telephone number and password is wrong, and he will call back and to require user to re-enter again. So they already input their telephone number and password, so it will got three selection, and one is for history to display the order history, and one is for order to input menu, and a lost user to order, and last one is for logout. So for second is for admin flowchart. It's still same like user will require admin to input their telephone number and password. So is we got four selection, and one is for member list to display the member list of this system and this online ordering system. And one is for menu list, and another one is report. The reports like maybe we will report about the selling in the month, and the last one is logout. So this is the second type of system design, which is database design using entity relationship diagram. So as we can see, we've got four entity, which is user, receipt, order, and menu. So for these four entity, they got their own primary key. So now I will explain the relationship between these four entities. So for user and receipt, a user can generate multiple receipt as shown by the get relationship with a one-to-many cardinality. So for receipt and order, each receipt can have multiple order, forming a one-to-many relationship represented by the have association. So for the last one, order and menu. An order corresponds to one or more menu items, establishing a many-to-one relationship through the has association.
And now I'm gonna briefly explain about how the system works. So as you can see in this slide, the first image has main menu and login page. And the second image has register and the menu list. Okay, so once you type our website URL, you will be redirected to the main menu page. So that is our banner. And then there's three options, which is to go to main menu, to log in, or to register. Okay, moving on to register. We can only register user. We cannot register admin through the website because for admin's login credentials, it's all in our database. So you only can register the users. So we are required to put our phone number, our name and the password that we desire. Then for our login page, we use the login credentials that we have saved from the registered page into our login form. And once we log in, we will be able to access menu list, order history, cart, and logout. So as you can see, we have add to cart function. So once we add to cart, we can verify our order. And then what happens after that is we will be directed to the order history tab. Okay, in the order history tab, we can see the user's informations such as phone number, name, date and time ordered, and yeah, that's it for order history. Then we have our order receipt. In our order receipt, there will be the price for each items and then the grand total. Okay. Then of course, since we are using database, we have a table for all the registered users in this system. So we keep all their informations and we also can modify. It's either we want to update or we want to delete the user. So if we want to update, we can change the informations like phone number, name, and then we also can change the password lah. And then we also have another feature like where you can upload a txt file. So you just have to fill in the user's informations in the txt file with a pipeline in between. And once you have done that, you upload it, and the work the new user will be uploaded in the system's database. Uh, and then we also have search query system where if you search the user's name, you can easily find the user. And then we have got menu list. For now, we have only got about four items, but we would like to add more and more. And in the menu list, we also have similar functions to the user list, which is search query and also upload menu function.
So first of all, there is update user. We can use that if we want to change the information of the user if there is misspell in it. Second one is upload user, that we can upload a txt file if we want to add a new user in the database. And after that, there is print, that shows the list of the user that already exists in the database. After that, menu list for admin shows the list of the menu that already exists in the Pizzalicious Pizza Online, such as Aloha Chicken, Coke, Hawaiian Chicken, and also Sprite. Update menu is we can change the information about the name of the menu and also the price of it. Lastly, upload menu is we can upload a txt file if we want to add a new menu in the database. That's all from me.
Now, we will talk about the new menu registration and also the report. For the new menu registration, its function is to add new menus in the system. And as you can see here, before we add the new menu, we need to complete the details. We need to fill in the ID menu, the name menu, the price, and also the picture of the menu. And for the report, We have to select the date of the report that we want to see, and it will show us the list of orders with the number of receipts, the date of the order, and also the total payment of the orders.
So here we are to the end of the slide. In conclusion, despite the inherent convenience of fast food service, various challenges such as long waiting times, traffic congestions, parking issues, and suboptimal ordering platform interface significantly hinder customer satisfaction. Addressing this issue is crucial for enhancing the customer experience, optimizing time efficiency, and minimizing business loss for fast food chains. I think that's all from us. Thank you for giving your time to share this presentation. That's all.